Welcome to our high-level proof of concept for NixVX's subdivision system. My name is Andy Ramgobin, Managing Director and one of the co-founders for our business, which aims to become the backbone of the metaverse. 2 months ago, we released a video on our universal avatar system. We received grant funding from Epic Games via the Mega Grants program, and we are so pleased with what we have delivered. The universal avatar system provides a mechanism to seamlessly carry digital assets across multiple worlds and metaverses. The recap on screen is showing a user logging into a single Unreal Engine application. This user has 2 avatar skins or cosmetics that are currently available. Once the avatar reaches the chest, he gains a new cosmetic set. We see the user log out of this application and log into an entirely new, decoupled Unreal Engine application. And just like magic, the user has carried with them the new cosmetic set that they found in the chest. Whilst this is brilliant, we have taken this to the next level with our subdivision system. In today's demonstration, we're going to be adding a new world that has been beautifully handcrafted by NixVX in collaboration with the musicians A Mountain of One. Treasure Island is our first destination. This is a simple world that we have created using some pre-built Unreal Engine 5 assets. We now have a character that has joined Treasure Island and is wearing a cosmetic set. We call this particular set Adventurer. Here you can see that we have some text at the top of the window. These are cosmetic and rule tags. Let's change the avatar cosmetic set back to default and scroll down a bit further. The modern cosmetic set is unavailable in this world due to a rule-based tag. However, the pirate cosmetic is available in this world due to a separate rule-based tag. We're going to discuss more about tagging in video number 3. We can select all of the elements for the pirate cosmetic as the user owns all of the items, and the world allows the user to use this cosmetic set. Let's change the cosmetic set to pirate so that we can see how the cosmetic set is broken down. As we scroll further down the list of cosmetics that are available to the user in this world, we see the sci-fi cosmetic set. You'll notice that we can select all of the elements on the character that we own. However, it would seem that the user doesn't currently own the head. The subdivision system is selected at the inception of creating the world. This is simply done by using an Unreal Engine blueprint, which recognises the different levels of subdivision available. In this world, subdivision allows a user to place multiple cosmetic items on the top and bottom sections for an avatar. Head, torso, legs, hands, for example. Now we're going to travel to another world called A Mountain of One. Here we will see what a different world has to offer. A Mountain of One is a bespoke world that was originally built on Unity's gaming engine. However, we decided to rebuild it in Unreal Engine 5.1, and we were blown away with the result. The purpose of joining this world is for us to showcase how different rules and tags set the standard for what a user can do in the world and what kind of cosmetic sets are available to wear. If you cast your mind back to our first trip to Treasure Island, we witnessed a subdivision level which allowed a user to select a cosmetic for multiple body parts. The world creator for A Mountain of One has selected a level of subdivision that allows a user to only add items to the top and the bottom. These are the only options the user can see for each cosmetic set. The user has the ability to mix and match a top and bottom from another set, thereby allowing for a greater level of user immersion and experience. You'll notice at the top of our window we have some world rules. This time there is no red text on modern. In this world, users can select the modern cosmetic set. Notice how the user can see the bottom part of the cosmetic set for sci-fi, and it's available to be selected. One of the reasons it is available to select is that the user owns all of the individual cosmetic items that make up the bottom. The other reason is that the cosmetic set is available for the bottom of the avatar. There is a world tag adventure that is green at the top of the window, and if you look at the bottom sci-fi box, there is a hashtag which represents that the cosmetic has been tagged adventure. This means a world allows a user to use a specific cosmetic set, and vice versa. The most interesting element is that we can wear the bottom part of the sci-fi cosmetic set, however the top sci-fi box is highlighted in yellow. Subdivision in the world of A Mountain of One requires a user to own the full set of that cosmetic type. We know that the user doesn't currently own the head part of that cosmetic set. So let's head back to Treasure Island so that we can explain this in a little bit more detail. Now that we've returned, you'll notice that there is a tag restriction at the top of the window. The user can no longer use any cosmetic sets that have a tag that relates to modern. The avatar is currently wearing sci-fi on the bottom and wearing the individual items on the top, which is the adventurer cosmetic set. Here we can see that the torso and the hands are available to be selected, but we don't see anything related to the head. This is because the user doesn't currently own or have the right to use the head from this cosmetic set. The avatar is now wearing sci-fi cosmetic on all elements that the subdivision level allows, excluding the head. The avatar is wearing the head from the adventurer cosmetic set, which they own. We hope that we've been able to share some real insight into how our subdivision system brings users, world and cosmetic creators together to create a value-based ecosystem. Each part of the value chain requires the corresponding parts, which brings balance for everyone involved. We are putting the control back in the hands of the IP owners and those that have paid or earned the right to that IP. IP owners and creators dictate how users, cosmetic, and worlds cohesively provide the future of the metaverse. Our third and final video in this series will cover the rules and tags that govern our value-based ecosystem. We hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you are as excited about the Universal Avatar and Subdivision systems as we are. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. We are NixVX, the backbone of the metaverse.